Yes, children, let us continue part 2 here. Okay. Uh, yes, it is page number 69, children. You can look into precious. So here the red man is telling that air will be always, equal for everyone. Yes, air cannot be shared. Yes or no? Yes, we all breathe the same air. Yes. So they all share the same breath, and the white man does the same thing. Okay, and you must remember that the air is very precious to us, and they all share through the spirits of their ancestors, and the wind that gave our grandfather his first breath also receives his last sigh. And if we sell you our land, you must keep it apart as sacred. So they want them to keep the land sacred. So we will consider your offer to buy our land. So they will consider their land to buy they will consider their offer, to give their land. Yes, they'll consider. If we decide to accept, I will make one condition. Okay, after taking decision, only on one condition they are ready to accept. What is the condition? Let us know. The white man must treat the beast of this land as his brothers. So the white man is asked, the white man who takes their land, they have to treat these beasts, that is animals, like their brothers. Okay, and he is saying that I am a savage and do not understand any other way. I have been thousands of rotting buffaloes on the prairie. Why he is saying like that? Because he have seen many people killing those beast animals, and that's why he doesn't believe. That's why he is keeping a condition that if you say that surely you will take care of the beast, then I'm ready to offer you this land. So for he believe very much that for whatever happens to the beast soon happens to the man also. Okay, he is saying that whatever happens to the beast soon happens to man. All things are connected, he is saying. And you must teach your children that the ground beneath their feet is the ashes of a grandfather. So he is saying that the ground beneath that is their ashes. Okay, the ancestors' ashes, so that they will respect the land. So he is asking that you have to teach your children to respect this land. Okay, and you have to teach the value of this land and this water. Teach your children what we have taught our children, that the earth is our mother, and whatever befalls the earth befalls the sons of the earth. If men spit upon the ground, they spit upon themselves. And this we know, the earth does not belong to man. We know that earth does not belong to man. Yes, man belongs to the earth. Okay, all things are connected like the blood which unites one family. So in family, how mother, father and children connected, so in the same way we all are connected with the water, air and earth, everything. Okay, yes, all things are connected. Whatever befalls earth befalls the sons of the earth. So if anything happens to the earth, it happens to the man also. Man did not weave the web of the life. So man did not weave the web of this life. Man is only a strand in that. If he spoil that strand, that means he is spoiling himself. He will destroy himself. Okay, so should be taken care. Even the white man whose God walks and talks with him as a friend to a friend cannot be exempt. Exempt means what? Set apart. This cannot be set apart from the common destiny. So what is destiny? That will be happen. Okay, that will be happened. Okay, what God wishes, it will happen. We may be brothers after all. We shall see. One thing we know, which the white man may one day discover, our God is the same God. So everybody's God is the same God. Gods are not so many. Okay, so everybody is having only one God. You may think now that you own him as you wish to own our land, but you cannot. He is the God of the man, and his compassion is equal for the red man and the white man. Compassion means what? God's strong feeling is equal for the red man as well as the white man, for both. The earth is, God is not partial. The earth is precious to him, and to harm the earth is to heap contempt on its creator. The whites too shall pass, perhaps sooner than all other tribes. So he's saying that whites may pass sooner than the tribes, means they may pass away. But in your perishing, in your destroying, we will shine brightly, fired by the strength of the God who brought you to this land and for some special purpose gave you dominion over this land and over the red man. The what is man? Control. The white man control